So you've got yourself the GoPro Hero 13 Black and now you need a memory card and you're really not sure which one to get. Well, you're in luck because GoPro's created a list of recommended memory cards that they say will work with your GoPro Hero 13 Black. We'll have a look at that list. We'll quickly go over speed classes, but we're going to jump over to Amazon and go through many of those cards so you know what to expect if you're looking to pick one up for yourself. I'll also share with you which two cards I've been testing in the GoPro 13 and have had great luck. And spoiler alert, those are two of the cheaper cards, so you don't have to spend a ton if you're looking for a memory card for your GoPro. Now, of course, if you're interested in any of these memory cards or my favorite accessories, they're all linked below in the description. Let's go ahead and dive right into GoPro's recommended memory cards for the GoPro Hero 13 Black. So GoPro Support has created this document and I'll have it linked below. It says SD cards that work with your GoPro cameras. To consistently achieve the best results with your GoPro, it is important to select microSD cards that are known to work well with your camera. We recommend only purchasing name brand cards through official resellers. Many microSD cards will work with GoPro cameras. We've extensively tested and recommend the following models. So there's quite a few here that they have tested and say will work with your camera. So you do need to find your camera here on the left-hand side. They've got the new Hero 2024, but down here it shows the Hero 13, and these will be the same ones for the Hero 12, 11, and 10. And it says micro SD cards with a V30 or UHS 3 rating. And there's several cards all the way with sizes up to 1 terabyte from SanDisk, Lexar, PNY, Samsung, Gigastone, Amazon Basics, and Kingston. And I did want to give you a reference here. I'm going to be showing you mostly 256 gigabyte cards. You can do the math on your own, but a 256 gigabyte card in my GoPro 13 in 4K 30 frames per second is giving me 10 hours and 40 minutes of recording time with a standard bit rate. And again, it says a micro SD card with V30 or UHS 3 rating. And we'll jump over to the speed class chart here, and I'll link this below as well. And V30 UHS 3 is right here. So this has a minimum sequential write speed of 30 megabytes per second. So we need the memory card to be fast enough to write the information to it. That's why slower cards won't work well with a GoPro. And this falls right in the range here of what a GoPro can film at. So 4K or 5.3K would be right in the range here. So let's jump over to Amazon and have a closer look at these cards. Now we'll primarily be focusing on the 256 gigabyte versions of these cards. Do keep in mind they come in smaller sizes, 32, 64, 128, or even larger sizes, 512 and 1 terabyte, but double check that those cards are compatible with your GoPro here on this chart. We'll start out with the more expensive cards and work our way down to the less expensive ones. The more expensive tend to be the pro level cards down to more the basic cards. And while we do this, I'll reveal which ones I've been using and have had good luck with. So jumping over to Amazon here, we've got the Gigastone Camera Extreme Max. So this one is $59.99. So they're a fair bit pricier than some of the other cards you'll find. So that's the current pricing on that. They've got multi-packs in different sizes here available as well. We've got the SanDisk Extreme Plus. So I find these SanDisk Extreme Pluses also tend to be a little bit more expensive. These ones are currently at $59.99. We've got another Gigastone card. So this is the Camera Pro Max model. That one's down to $54.99. So again, 256 gigabytes on that one. And then another Gigastone model. So $49.99 for this one. This is the 4K Camera Extreme. So Gigastone has a few different models that you can pick up and different package sizes here as well. So if you're wanting lots of cards, they've got multi-buys, etc. here. So you can have a look at those. We've got the Gigastone 4K Camera Pro, which is another 256 gigabyte card. That one's $44.99. And then from there, we've got the Samsung Pro Ultimate. So about a $10 price drop in that one currently. So that one again, the V30 UHS 3. We've got the Lexar Silver Plus series, 256 gigabyte. Now, again, several different sizes available in that one, $28.99. And that one for the 1 terabyte is $89.99. So if you're looking for a large card, you can snag that one. The Samsung Evo Select, $28.95. So the prices are coming down quite a bit here. We've got the SanDisk Extreme Pro 256 gigabyte card. These are a really nice card as well. So $28.49 for that one. And now we've got the Lexar 1066X micro SD card. This is the Silver series, and this is one of the cards I've been testing out. I've actually used this on the GoPro 11, 12, and 13, so I've had it for a few years now, and it's working great here with the GoPro 13, and those are priced at $26.99 currently, so great value on those. They've got multi-packs as well. And then we've got the SanDisk Extreme 256. So this is the other memory card I've been testing in the GoPro. And again, I've had it for a couple generations of GoPros, and this one's working great in my GoPro 13. And this is also the brand, the SanDisk Extreme, that they sell on the GoPro website. So if you're wanting the one that's sold on their website, this would be the one you're looking for. We've got a couple less expensive models, the Samsung Evo Plus at $23.14. We've got the Samsung Pro Plus at $22.99. So there's some great deals to be had right now on memory cards. That one's 43% off right now. So great price on that. And again, do keep in mind that many of these cards are changing in price from day to day. We've got the PNY. This is the Pro Elite, currently at $22.99. And then we've got the Kingston Canvas Go Plus. That's at $22.90. And there's some great sales here right now. And then we've got the Amazon Basics. This again is the V30 UHS3. And that one's all the way down currently at $20.79. So some great prices there to be had on these memory cards. So again, the cards I've been testing and I've had great luck with are the Lexar 1066X Silver Series and the SanDisk Extreme. They're both linked below in the description. Hope this video helped you out in selecting a memory card for your GoPro Hero 13 Black. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.